In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get off Walmart Spark waitlist. So, Walmart Spark is something like a service that helps you get groceries around your town where it presents you as a driver. So, I have in here for Spark delivery riders, and if you want to get off the waiting list, you need to live in an area with a high enough demand that allows you to join. So, for example, if you're on a small town, it typically doesn't need a lot or more riders. So that's why you need to be in a big town in order to get into it. So upon researching, waiting lists are dynamic and there can be a waiting game with some drivers waiting months to years as well. So you can try changing your zone by clicking on change zone on the home screen within the map and you can get activated in a new zone from there. You need to also pass a thorough background check required to drive for Spark, and this process may also take a few days. So do take note of that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.